butcher's cut for brunch. Looking forward to this. I think we're gonna end up going with the country chicken and biscuit. That looks amazing.
Before it's time for goodbyes, 4 miles until we're changing our lives. What's at the end of this ride? Don't know just where we'll arrive, but you could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. No looking back, eyes on the road. Only thinking about where we're supposed to go. Don't have a map, just go with the flow. There's certain things we're not supposed to know. 4 miles, that's all that we have left now. That's all that we had time for. Don't know just where we'll arrive, but you could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. Yeah, we could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. Yeah, we could be alright, but you could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. 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 That's all that we can have now.
and we need your help to bring the magic in the air. So if you want to swing from the chandelier, if you want to be singing, dancing, if you want to be streaking naked, then it's up to you. No, don't do that. But ladies and gentlemen, please, whatever you do, make some noise. This is Total Divas!
Stare so deep in your eyes, I touching you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. It's such a funny thing for me to try to explain how I'm feeling in my pride is the one to blame. Cause you know I don't understand just how your love can do annoying. All I'm asking, return for me, is forgive me. My promise when we get home. Yeah, baby, when we get home.
Silent disco night.